In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of migrating DBX files using the RecoveryTools DBX Migrator. To install our DBX migration tool, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, click the Next button. This tool provides users with Select File or Select Folder options. Users can choose either one of the available options. After selecting the folder, click the Select Folder option below. Click Next. Check on checkbox to select individual files or an entire folder that you want to convert. Click Next. Select a saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Let's select PST option for this tutorial. Separate PST per DBX option creates individual PST files for each DBX file. The Split PST option divides DBX data and creates new PST files based on the assigned file size. The Destination Path section allows you to specify the destination folder where the selected file will be exported. Next, simply click the Convert button, and the conversion process will begin. Once the conversion is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that the conversion was successful. Click OK to open the destination folder and access the newly converted files. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.